10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near Avon Point, moving southeast at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Lorraine Harbor. On the latest weather map,
I literally just got out of the fucking shower. Screw you, Cleveland.